What's up, my Naija people? This na Viclin from Naija Know How. Today I go to unbox the LEAGOO S8 Android phone. But before we begin, abeg hit the subscribe button and the bell icon make you dey get my notification sharp sharp. Okay, make we go straight into this unboxing video. Make we see wetin LEAGOO put inside this video for us. Okay, you get some small mini packs wey dey inside here. May I quickly come out and make we see wetin dey inside. Okay, the first thing wey I dey see here na the SIM ejector. May I see here, according to the icon wey dey here, you go see say na the earphone go dey here. So it means say this phone dey come with earphone for us. Okay, may I come out and you get white earphone. The power pack. Okay, this is the charger. And wetin remain inside this box. Okay, we have the warranty certificate, the user manual, and our USB cable, and the silicone cover. So this is not the silicone cover. So now everything wey LEAGOO put inside this box for us, please. So now the LEAGOO S8 phone gongon na im dey my hand. So make we quickly see wetin LEAGOO carry put inside this phone for us. This phone build makes sense gone with the blue color. This variant na die. The name of the color na they call wetin they even call am. So they call am the dazzle blue color. This thing come in two colors. One na dazzle black, the other na dazzle blue. This na the dazzle blue. So make we quickly go into wetin dey the body of this phone. For under the phone, you go find the USB charger port. Now here you go charge your phone. The thing come with the old type of this thing. Phones they come with type C now, but this one still come with the type B. And the speaker grill, now im be this two speaker grill, but I'm not sure say the two they work. Maybe when I do my review, detailed review, I go look into these speaker grills to know whether two of them they work or na one they work. This one na the earphone jack. Okay, coming to the left side, nothing dey the left side, it dey plain. Going to the right, you go find your volume rocker and the power button for the right. For the top part, you go see the SIM for the top. Now here the SIM, they might just come out and so this is the SIM tray where they for up. So according to this part, it's going to use a micro SIM and also another micro SIM from here. But the thing be say you know if you use two SIM at once, if you dey use my SD card slot, you go dey use one SIM and one SD card. But if na two SIM you want use, now two SIM you go use for here, no SD card. So now so they take program the phone. So make I push this in. But something wey I no too like for all this our phone manufacturer be say one phone go come with micro SIM, the other go come with nano SIM. I don't understand why they do this. They suppose go with one universal SIM type. Make all phones they come with that SIM. I don't know why if they won't go with nano, make they go with nano. Maybe we rest. Which one be nano mini? You know, some even go come with the normal SIM. I bet make they choose one. This thing they disturb person. Person go just cut SIM anyhow, cut SIM up and down. Anyway, make we quickly see the front side of this phone. Okay, for the front you go find two cameras for here. This is the 8MP and 2MP front facing camera. You come with the notification and sensor for here, and then your flashlight dey here. So this is now your speaker. Normally for under here there are no physical buttons for here. Your capacitive button, nothing dey here. But if I on this device, I go know whether e get inbuilt capacitive button or physical button. Okay, for back side you go see two more cameras for here. This na the 13MP and the 2MP back camera with a quad flashlight for here. This na two flashlight. So according to this flashlight wey dey here, if you look at it, means say we fit take powerful photographs for dark, for night, you understand. So if we do if I do my test, you understand, you go get better grasp of how the camera be, whether the thing clear according to wetin dem talk here. So here na the fingerprint sensor wey dey down here, the fingerprint port. So according to specification, this fingerprint e dey as fast as the one wey I previously unboxed, which is the LEAGOO T5C. E dey my hand, so the fingerprint here is fast. You can see that. So it performs just like that in the LEAGOO T5C. So let me just turn on the device. And while I turn on the device, I'm going to show you all the detailed specification and other things like weight and so on. So while turning on this device, let me check the weight of this device. So according to the scale, you can see it weighs 197 grams compared to the T5C, which weighs about 190 grams. Wow, it's quite heavy, okay? And considering the fact that the battery of the LEAGOO T5C is slightly ahead of the LEAGOO S8. This is 3000 mAh battery, and this is 2970 mAh battery, which is slightly lower. But with the function of using the, what do they call them? So the quick charge, they say their charger come with quick charge functionality. Say the thing they charge at least 75% in just 30 minutes. That is not bad. I think that is fair enough for the poor quality battery that they inserted in this device. Okay, before we move on to checking on what this device has, let me just show you all the key specifications on this device. Okay, so here is the key spec. This is a 5.7 display, 5.72 inch display with a HD screen. Well, I think well, the one on this particular device, the T5C, is full HD. This is disappointing actually. I expected it to come with a full HD display, but that's fine. So it's clocked at 1.5 GHz octa core processor. It came with a camera of, we've talked about this earlier, so 8+2 MP front camera, back camera, and 13+2 MP. So the dual SIM functionality, we explained it earlier. It came with a 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. So if you store things up to 32 GB, if that one no do you, if you expand them using an SD card, if you use SD card, expand them to up to 128 GB. And also this is the battery capacity. Well, okay, this is about 2940 mAh. This close like almost 3000 mAh, but not bad. It's actually bad, don't let me say not bad, considering our poor electricity here in Nigeria. Okay, we need something that can take us a whole day, but when we do an actual battery test, we will know how long this battery can take us. Okay, maybe we quickly delve back into the phone. So according to this display, you can see that this phone is a near bezel-less display. You can see it doesn't have large bezels like that, or we get phones now where, you know, almost the whole screen now, almost the whole display now, screen dey everywhere. But well, this is not bad considering the fact that it came with the 18:9 aspect ratio. You can see it. It means say the thing dey longer and it dey shorter from the side here, which is perfect for watching videos. And if you be Netflixer, if you dey watch Netflix well, this kind of screen dey okay for that kind of thing. So make we just move on to setting up this device. We're going to test all this thing in details later. So based on wetin dey this device, you go notice say this thing is coming with the LEAGOO 4.0 OS built on the Android 7, that's the Nougat. So it's disappointing that we are not going to get the Android 8 on this device, but hopefully with updates you're going to get the latest Android version on this particular device. So let me just show you the about section of this phone. So for about, written there inside this about, okay, you see the Android 7, the name of the phone, you see am. So make I show you the how good the sound of this device is. Let me put it to the highest. Okay, you don't see how strong the thing. They make I can compare them with their T5C phone. Make I see which one loud pass. You don't need anybody to tell you which phone win for here. In fact, the speaker for the S8 outperformed the speaker for the T5C. So you see. So make I move on to checking wetin they actually inside this phone. So this is the normal Google operating system, nothing special. They didn't do anything different. The only difference here is that LEAGOO add their own app store for here. No internet now, I suppose just show you. They get their own app store plus the normal Google app store. So you see. So also for this device, you go notice say you fit change the theme for this device. You fit change them anyhow where you like them. So you see, it has widgets, effects. You can also change how this capacitive button, this on-screen capacitive button is arranged. You will find it in the settings here. Where that thing save the display, where them put this thing. Okay, navigation, navigation bar. Okay, so you see, you can change the navigation button. I prefer the back button to be here, so you can tweak it. You can see that. Okay, so make I quickly do a quick camera test for this device. So you see say the picture quality no bad, but when we do an actual video and camera test, you're going to get everything about this device camera. This 4 camera wey dem put for here, shey na for mouth abi the thing dey actually snap good quality photographs. We go know when we do the actual camera test of this phone for my blog post. So before I come out today, I want to make you know say we appreciate your time wey you use watch the video. If you like wetin we dey do, abeg hit the subscribe button or you use the like button. But make I drop one thing before you go. Take note say this device also supports Otg compatibility. It means say e dey work with Otg. So you see the light don on. It means that you fit use Otg cable for this phone. So that is it. You will get a full review of this device in my blog post later in the day. So as I dey leave you, so remember to do what? To hit the subscribe button and the notification bell icon, and also thumbs up. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely, wonderful time. Cheers and thanks for watching this video. Catch you in my next video. This is Naija Know How. Stay blessed.